guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Dimples. Good morning, Han. Good morning, Abby boy. There's too many wires right now because my husband's doing something very important. Goodness. I like this tripod. Mini tripod. Look. I'm just transferring my video to I don't know where to my computer. It's done editing, and my husband is watching something. What show is that on? Everybody loves Raymond. Look what my husband did. Cut a special thing from Costco. I don't know what to do with it. Turkey. And give it to his kid. Yeah. Early in the freaking morning. Like, doesn't have any breakfast. Special child. That's it, hon. Early in the freaking morning. That's all them, and you're giving even too much, even.
Well, this is for
Envelope. And the other ones over there.
everybody gets some. Nobody gets like that.
Throw them out. I'm still here, guys, with my cats. I'm still very sleepy. I'm still sleepy, guys. My husband's in the shower right now, and I'm just lying down here. Love sit. Not good morning today. It's good morning to you guys because I'm sure you guys have a good morning. I'm sorry about my morning is not that good. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just I'm tired. I think I have to do sit-ups while I don't have my menstruation now. So I'm gonna doing my sit-ups and start exercising because my stomach is getting big. Right, Dimples? I'll see you later. Dimples! Dimple! Dimple! We're going somewhere shopping. I'm just kidding. We're not going shopping, guys. We're gonna Cinderella belly button. I'm going to have lunch. What? Because my face is no good. Okay, my face is no good. My face, guys, no good. Camera is perfect. I'm gonna have some lunch before we go, because the monster will not good doing without eating. I have to eat. It's cold outside. I think I'm gonna wear some jacket or raincoat. Raincoat. I'm gonna be sweaty. Anyway, guys, I found some. You know, whenever what is that noise? What is that?
The wolf at the door.
Okay.
Still on Blu-ray.
Okay, I've been watching Sakuni Julie, and I've been seeing this woman in their vlog. Her name is Zui, and now I found out that she's a vlogger and she's a beauty guru too. Oh my goodness! You know, she have like 6 million in her. I don't know which channel it's the 6 million and the 2 million, something like that. Good morning. Anyway, guys, it's just, you know, it's very obvious that I just get up. No, I mean, it's not just get up. I've been downstairs already have my coffee and my bricky heart. Bricky heart. No, it's yummy heart. Anyway, guys, yeah. So I just came up here just to get ready, go to the bathroom, change, wash my face, blah blah blah, wash everything. I mean, yeah, because we're just gonna drop. It's always early. It's always not 9:30. We drop, we drop my mother-in-law. So, and my husband is here, so he's going to drive us, and later I will pick her up alone. So, yeah. So good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oops, I got a headache. Thank you guys for subscribing. Ouch. Sorry guys, I dropped you. This summer, guys, you can see me. This winter, guys, you can see me shoveling. I always do that every winter. When my husband is working and when he get home, I don't want him to just shovel because he's tired of working, and yeah, and that's gonna be fun again. It's not easy to shovel, especially if it's a little wet. If it's this snow, it's a little heavy. It's gonna kill your back. I'll see you later, guys. I'm just gonna get ready, okay? Bye. I'm so busy, guys. I just picked up my mother-in-law from dialysis, and after dropping her off, it's like I've been editing some of my vlog for my beauty channel. I mean, it's the same channel as the vlog that I do, a daily vlog, but it's a different album. I mean, it's category, something like that, but I will upload it and you can see it. But anyway, it's really hard when you're doing green screen. Anyway, guys, I use green screen, it's very hard for me because I'm not expert. I'm still learning, so let's see. And I'm looking if I can use different picture. I think I'm gonna use my own picture in my background because it's better that way, that no one can sue me that I use somebody else, So yeah, and it's a little chilly today, but I hope later it's not gonna be chilly. I hope not. So I'm gonna take shower, guys, and I'll see you later. I'm sorry, guys, if I don't spend a lot of time though, because my husband is working and I just do my job, and I'm still gonna film after this later after a shower. I'm still doing my laundry too. What the heck? I'm so fucking busy. So see you later, guys. Bye bye. I'm sorry, guys, the vlog is a little shorter. It's more shorter yesterday and today. It's gonna be, yeah, it's short vlog. I'll try to do my best on my head, my shoulder, and I have to finish what I'm doing. Yeah, I even have laundry downstairs need to be done. It's boring. Hi guys, hello. I'm just like back to the bed again. I mean, it's very how do you call this day, stressful, because I told you guys I edit some of the video, but I wind up, you know, I'm not familiar with editing some video that it have a green screen, because I'm using green screen, and yeah, it's very hard. But I edit first, and then I deleted it, and then I redo it, and then I save it to files, and then it's just pain in the neck. That's all I can see. But anyway guys, thank you for subscribing me. I have a list here. I have 2 persons that recently subscribed my channel, Thomas Johnson and Idaho Vandal Forever. Thank you guys for subscribing, and I hope you enjoy my video. I'll see you tomorrow, and I would like to say good night because I'm going to bed. Tomorrow I can start editing from another stuff, and hopefully I can vlog longer, because you know, it's my husband is not here, so that means I'm just staying home. I'm just gonna do all over the talking again. I'm not even talking right or something like that. Yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and you guys is the best. It's the best, the best, the best. Good night guys, or maybe good evening. Okay, it's the same thing, good night and good evening, right? So good night, good afternoon, good morning, what else, good morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever you have right now and there, what time you have right now. Ciao to you guys, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Thank you guys, bye guys, ciao.